saying that they just wanted to say hi. Bolo hi. Hello there, this is Kaur from Asan English, and as you guys can see, today I am standing outside, and today I'm not at my house. I am at my maternal aunt's house, like I'm at my Mossy's house, and we are here to meet them. And I came here from a long time, so it's a very good today for me. Like this is like today I'm feeling very good today. Okay, so let's start our video without wasting our single second of time. And today I'm going to explain like about this greenery. I'm going to talk about this greenery which you can see behind me. Okay, you can see like there is a lot of greenery, and I'm feeling very like good today. Like it's a kind of very silent and natural place. Okay, and as you guys can see, there are many houses in the background. Okay, many houses, and there are also some walls which are standing quietly, and they are doing their job. Okay, they are doing their job. And as well as you can see some sparrows are like they are talking to each other. Sparrows are talking to each other, and they are sitting on the trees. So actually I'm feeling very excited today because I came here from a long time, and my Masi is that kind of person who is very close to my heart. Okay, and today I'm just going to talk about this greenery, this nature, and the silence which we can feel here. Okay, I know that there is a background noise, but you can imagine how this place is good. Like there is a natural view, as you guys can see, and there are many houses in the background like behind me, and some walls which are doing their job. Like they are doing their job seriously. Okay, they are like some houses, there are some houses, and there are also some yellow flowers. They are laughing at me. I'm just imagining. Okay, like they are laughing at me. These yellow flowers are laughing at me, but it's just a imagination. And I'm feeling very happy today. It's a very good time for me. And apart from this, there are some kids who are saying something to me, but I couldn't understand that what they are saying because they are very far from me. Okay, and they're also playing football. Okay, they are playing football. And the next thing what I want to say here, I'm standing outside of the house. Okay, I already told you that I'm not at my house, I'm at my maternal aunt's house. As I already told you that there is a one school in the background, so some kids are saying that they just wanted to say hi. Bolo hi.